Right, here I am down at the West Paseo, March 22nd, 2022. We're now into the 22nd week of major construction, so a triple 2022 there. Time is now 7:41 a.m. See what's going on down here. That's a little backhoe back over here. Doing some digging over near the museum area. We got another double trench dug down through here, down in front of the little office, little suite of buildings right over there. So, got a very large cutout done down here, dugout area, so doing some digging for something. Not sure what, maybe has something to do with the white pipe that they've gotten stockpiled over here. This is what we got going on right down here. Just digging more trenches back over there, I think. That's what they're doing right now. So I'm going to pan on down here. Another small backhoe doing some digging over here by the Clayton. I'll climb on up the steps here. Doing some digging back over in the West Bowl area there too. Another backhoe. Got a lot of activity going down in the West Paseo here. See, they got one piece of the white pipe back over here on the little mound area. So, what we got going on down in the West Paseo here today. So, this is looking interesting. Not really sure what these trenches are going to be about, but my guess is that white pipe is something that's going to be going on down there, have something to do with that. So far today my gimbals seems like it's pretty stable, so we'll see. Yesterday I did put in an order for a Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal, which is a more robust gimbal, so I'm gonna get that next week, I think, and then check that out. I think it'll be a better gimbal overall. The Osmo 3 has been really nice, but we'll check out the Zhiyun Smooth 5 next week and see what we got with that. So that'll be something to do. Alrighty, I'm going to end this here and move on around a little bit to my other spots. Right, here I am down by the Old Town Tavern, shooting into the West Paseo area. Another perspective here. They brought the one backhoe down here. So, they're going to do some digging here near the big tree, banyan tree. So, looks like just more pipe work, trenches and some pipe work right now. So just shooting here a little bit. I'm gonna walk on around to the end of the West Paseo here. Into the sun here. This is what it looks like from the end of the West Paseo here, looking east. Just getting a little bit of this. I'm going to move on around to the West Bowl. Alright, here I am at the rear construction entrance. You can see the white pipe they have piled up over here, doing their trench work and surveying over there by the little museum. Got their backhoe working. This kind of a view from here. That's what we got going on down here at the rear construction gate. So this is just a quick shoot here. I'm going to move on around to the West Bowl now. All right, here I am down at the West Bowl area. The AZ88 display's got some new aspect to it here. It was very windy the last couple of days, so it looks like it may have blown down the vines that were up on that wall, have come down on top of the display here, so it's looking a little more jungle-like here today. All right, move on around to the West Bowl. So far, the Osmo 3 here is being stable, which is very nice. Pain in the butt when it's here. We are looking out into the West Bowl, over to the Saguaro Hotel over there. Looks like quite a bit of activity, a lot of trucks down here I can see. So go here and shoot over the fence. Shot over the fence here, the West Bowl area. Time is now 7:54 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So this is what we got going on down here in the West Bowl. I'm gonna go up to my Stair perch here next. So I'll end this up here. Right, here I am down at my Stair perch now, looking into the West Bowl here. On the south side of it here, looking north, looking east this way. So you can see they're out there doing some work out on the civic lawn area, on the bridge deck out there, doing some stuff. So I'll be heading down to the east end here next. I'll climb up a little bit higher here. Looks like we got activity over in the West Bowl back over, or in the East Bowl back over there. You can see the big front end loaders over there. So, got some activity going on. And it looks like out there in the middle near the two banyan trees, which are hard to see from here, they've piled up some dirt in sort of a ramp form. So that could be part of the foundation for the stage that's to come in there. when they start building that later on. So I'm going to take just a minute to switch over to my telephoto lens here and shoot over to the east bowl. Right, here I'm on my telephoto lens now, shooting it over into the east bowl back over there. A lot of trucks and activity over there. I assume they could be doing some of the same pipe work over there that they're doing in the West Bowl, but or West Paseo, but I'm not sure about that. I'll be over there in a little bit, my next stop. So I just want to shoot a little bit across this way. Gives a good broad view of the West Bowl Civic line into the East Bowl back over there. So I'm going to finish this up here. I'm going to move on around to the east side of the project here, shoot some down there. Alright. Alright, here I am down at the north gate. Looks like they've moving along on their sidewalk here, expanding it on down there. They got their forms set up here. Maybe they're going to actually pour some concrete here or something. Not really sure, but got a lot of activity down here, working on sidewalks and expanding those on down there. So making progress on the sidewalks down here in the eastern end of the project. So what we got going on down here. Still got this area fenced off down here, so eventually something will be happening with that. Right, here I am down in front of City Hall now. A lot of trucks down here, a lot of activity going on. Back over in the East Bowl, the social hub right there directly ahead of me. Looks like they're digging more trenches. So, a lot of activity down here on the east end of the project today. More sidewalk work over there, as I noted earlier. So, moving along and getting their sidewalks done down here. That's good. Make a slow pan around here. And back around. Alrighty, I'm going to finish this up here. I'm going to move on around to the East Bowl area a little more on the back side of everything. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl. A lot of activity going on down here with some more grading work and whatnot. Got a big pile of dirt right here in front of me. Just shoot around here real quick. This is what we got going on down in the East Bowl right now. All right. I'm going to stop this here, and I'm going to move on around the library and shoot some as I go over on the other side, and then over at the library steps, I think. Right, here I am down at the construction entrance off of 75th Street, and just shooting into construction zone here. From the east looking west. So This is a little bit of what's going on from this perspective. Looks like they got some concrete slabs back over here. I think they're going to use for something, but this is just what it looks like from this perspective. I'm going to move around over by the library now. Right, here I am over by the library on the south side of the East Bowl, looking north. So what we got back over here. From this perspective. So a lot of activity going on down here. Sidewalks, trenching it looks like for whatnot. Assume has something to do with irrigation or something, not really sure. But this is what we got down here. I'm now going to walk over to the library steps. All right, this is what we got down here. I'm now going to walk over to the library steps and see what we got going on over there. Gimbal is starting to act up a little bit, so be glad when I get my new gimbal next week. I should do away with that stuff. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the library steps looking out into the civic lawn. See the activity down here from another perspective. Back over there, social hub, East Bowl area. Doing looks like grading work and trench work, sidewalk work down here. So a lot of activity towards moving this along. So that's what we got here. We want to try to move around just a little bit. Here, let me stop. Okay, moved around just a little bit where I can get a better perspective on what they're doing down here. It's just shooting into the social hub. Working on the sidewalks back over there. Sweep around here. And we're doing a little bit over in the West Bowl, but it doesn't look like Gimbal's going to be acting up. I think I'm going to have to finish up here today, right now. Oh, it's still working a little bit okay. Shit. Alrighty, I'm going to call this quits. Gimbal's not going to cooperate anymore today. But pretty soon it'll have a replacement. Alright, finishing up here. This is it for today. Got a good amount of stuff in, so go home, get this edited up, and see what's what. Alrighty.